If you're trying to bulk right now, you are probably overcomplicating it. You probably think you need an expensive meal plan, supplements, and 6 chicken breasts a day. I didn't. I was probably eating about 60 grams of protein every day. I was barely growing and training hard just to look the exact same. But then I made a few small changes. No crazy diet, no forcing my mum to change meals, and no bodybuilder prep. I just structured what I was already eating and went from 60 grams of protein a day to 140 grams every single day. And in this video, I'm explaining exactly how to do it. And it will be broken into 5 parts. We have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and then add-ons. You miss one of these, your results will slow down. So stay till the end, since the last one is the easiest 30-gram boost most people actually ignore. So let's get started. So why does this work? Here is a mistake beginners make. They think, I need 140 grams of protein. That's impossible. Even I used to think that was impossible. And yeah, it probably is if you try and eat it in 1 or 2 meals. But if you split it across like 5 categories, but 140 grams of protein divided by 5, that's only 28 grams per category. 28 grams is easy. It's a lot more achievable. Now, that mindset shift just changes everything. Instead of just forcing huge meals, I just make every meal count. And when every meal counts, growth just becomes automatic. So now, let's fix the hardest meal first. Now, the first category is breakfast. Now, be honest with me. What is the average thing that people have for breakfast? You probably thought cereal, toast, or just nothing. Now, them 3 have something in common. They've basically got no protein. So starting the day off, you're already behind. So here is what I switched to. So 2 to 3 sachets of porridge, 1 spoonful of peanut butter, 1 spoonful of honey, and then just 1 whole banana. It's really simple, but it works. It tastes way better than cereal, trust me. More calories, more protein, it's better for bulking. Peanut butter in porridge is elite. Once you try it once, trust me, you'll never go back. And if you want to level it up, I actually found out some people use water in their porridge. I can't lie, I didn't even know water in porridge was a thing. But just use milk. I've never tried water in porridge before, but I think milk tastes better, you know. But yeah, milk has protein in it, so that's a win. And I've never done this before, but I discovered you can also add Greek yogurt to top it off, which actually sounds quite nice. I might try that. That alone can push breakfast to 25 to 35 grams of protein. And now you're already 1/5 done before your day's even started. And now the next meal is where most people get lazy. So category 2 is lunch. Don't waste it. Lunch doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be a protein source. At school, I look for chicken, beef, eggs, just anything like meat-based. And yeah, it's school food. Sometimes the chicken is like soggy and just disgusting. But sometimes I just tough it and get it down for the protein. But here is a smarter move most people don't do and don't even think about. Just add something. 2 boiled eggs, a protein yogurt, a protein bar, anything. That small add-on can be from 15 to like 25 grams of protein extra. That is the difference between staying small and actually growing. But now here is where the real gains happen. This is category 4 and this is dinner, the main event. Dinner is where you secure the bulk. You should try to hit 4 main things: protein, calories, carbs, and veg. So for an example, protein can be chicken, beef, eggs. Carbs can be rice, pasta, and potatoes. Calories, don't fear them. Have like some pizza or something to put on some weight. Or if you're cutting, just avoid it, I'm sorry. So for veg, just have like peas or a salad for your health and digestion. You don't need a perfect plate, you just need to ask, where is the protein? Dinner should be giving you 40 to 60 grams if it's done right. Matter of fact, if dinner's strong, you're probably already close to your protein goal. Now, let's talk about the categories most people just completely waste. So the 4th category, I accidentally said dinner was 4th. No, that's the 3rd. So the 4th category is snacks, which is a hidden opportunity. Most people snack, but they just waste it. Crisps, sweets, just random junk. Snacks, a leverage. Try this. Nuts and raisins, protein yogurt, protein bars, or try something like chocolate milk. It's still calorie dense, but it's enjoyable. But it's also actually useful. I still eat chocolate. This isn't about being perfect. This is just about stacking protein across the day. Now here is the easiest hack of the entire video. If you're short on protein at the end of the day, just drink it. 1 to 2 protein shakes. Easy 25 to 50 grams of protein. Or you don't want or have any supplements, just have 2 glasses of milk. It's still solid protein. Add yogurt before bed, have eggs before night. Liquid calories are so easy. And bulking is just way easier in the long run if you're just drinking your protein and calories. This is how I closed the gap from 100 grams to 140 consistently. Protein builds muscle, calories allow growth. If the scale isn't slowly going up, you're not eating enough. You don't need to be on a dirty bulk. You just need to be in a surplus. Track your weight weekly. If it's not moving, increase the amount of food you're consuming. So here is a summary. Breakfast, stop wasting it. Lunch, add protein. Dinner, secure the bulk. Snacks, you've got to make them count. And then add-ons can be used just to close the gap. I tell you now, do all 5 consistently for 30 days. You will look completely different. And remember, if this helped you, drop a like. It pushes this video to more people that are trying to level up like you are. Also remember to drop a sub since I really appreciate it. So if you want to see exactly how I bulked up from a skinny kid to wise, then click this video on the screen right now. And I guess I will see you in the next one. Bye.